Hello and welcome everyone! Today we are going to be making a delicious batch of my Papa's shortbread cookies. These cookies are so good that they'll have you saying, "Oh my goodness," in no time. But what are shortbread cookies? Simple! They are Scottish biscuits made with butter, sugar, and flour. They are crisp yet crumbly and often served alongside coffee or tea. While often associated with the holiday season, they're a fabulous baked treat for any time of the year. For today's recipe, you will need 1/2 pound or 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1/2 cup of tightly packed brown sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And that's all you need to make these shortbread cookies. They're so simple that anyone can make them. I'm using golden brown sugar today, but if you want a shortbread cookie with a more rich molassesy taste to it, you can use dark brown sugar instead. First, we cream the butter well in a mixing bowl. It's easiest to do this with a hand mixer, but you can also manage it with a wooden spoon. Once it's nice and creamy, add the brown sugar and cream again until well combined. Next, gradually add the flour to the mixture, mixing well until all of the ingredients are fully incorporated. Then it's time to knead the dough. This is an important step as it helps to develop the texture of the shortbread. Place the dough on a clean work surface and knead it for at least 10 to 20 minutes. If you don't knead the dough enough, the cookies will be hard and tough instead of the traditional short and crumbly texture. You might worry that you'll overwork the dough, but due to the lack of any substantial liquid in the recipe, there won't be much gluten forming. This long kneading process accomplishes 2 things. 1, it thoroughly mixes the ingredients, making sure the butter, sugar, and flour are all completely combined. And 2, it lets us incorporate a bit of air into the dough, which helps enhance the crumbly texture. When the dough has been kneaded, roll it into a log and wrap it in parchment paper. You can twist the ends of the paper to tighten up the log, then place it into the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour to chill and firm up. Roughly 20 minutes prior to taking the dough out of the fridge, preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. When the dough is ready, remove it from the fridge and slice it into 1 centimeter or 1/2 inch thick cookies and place them on a baking sheet. Once they've all been placed on the baking sheet, place the sheet into the oven and let them bake at 275 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After the first 30 minutes, increase the heat to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. The shortbread cookies are ready either when they just first start to turn golden around the edges for a more traditional style, or once they are completely golden for more caramelized flavor. Either way, be sure to keep a close eye on them in the last 30 minutes of the bake, and don't let them get too dark. Let the cookies cool completely before enjoying them with a cup of tea or coffee. These shortbread cookies are a celebration of the simplicity of butter, sugar, and flour. They are a perfect holiday treat and are sure to impress your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.